If your child is hitting or getting aggressive and you're asking me what consequence you can use, A, it's the wrong question, but B, you're not centering regulation. To use a consequence for hitting means that you assume that if they could just control their behavior, if they could just control their impulses, they would do it. And so you're trying to figure out what matters enough to them to get them to control. I'm centering regulation, and hitting and aggression are problems of regulation. Regulation do not happen in the part of the brain that governs impulse control. Regulation happens when you have a felt sense of safety and well-being, and the hitting, the aggression, lets me know that for whatever reason, the child is experiencing dysregulation. Now, does that mean it's okay to hit? No, it absolutely does not, and I hold a super firm boundary on that, but it also means that for me as the parent, I have to center my child's capacity to get regulated and work from that place. So I might ask myself, what is happening? Why is the child hitting? Why are they hitting right now? And what are they missing? Are they hungry? Are they tired? Are they still learning how to share with their sibling? Is it too loud? Is it chaotic? Is there a lot of commotion? Why are they hitting? Your consequence is not going to fix this until you understand why they're hitting. Furthermore, consequences should be like 2% of your parenting, and they should always be natural and logical. So if you tell me that in every other instance, including every other time that your child hits, you are using positive supports, now what is that? That is hand comes up, you say up, hands on own body, and move your child's hand back to their body. It is making sure you're close. It is making sure you're giving directions so that you are within arm's distance so that your child can process them. It is making sure you give praise to your child like 100 times a day so that they are getting lots of praise for every time they do the right thing, which is keeping hands on their body. Notice the right thing is not hitting. It is keeping your hands on your own body. The frame matters. If you are not doing all of those things with like uber consistency, your consequence is very likely to make your child much more desperate. And when your child gets desperate, they're going to get more dysregulated, and the chance that your relationship with them, which is the thing that we're going to highlight and foreground in order to support their cooperation, is going to get broken, fractured, and then their behavior is probably going to get even bigger. So if your child is hitting, go at this from a regulation lens. While you figure it out, you might have to manage the environment. It might be that your older child can't be left in a room with your toddler because you know they're going to get into a physical altercation. It might mean that you have to be a lot closer to your child. And I know that's really hard because you have a job and other children and you're working and your plate's really full and overloaded and you deserve loads more support. It might be that we need to change how you're communicating with your child or do something more to support your child's processing. I'm almost 100% sure that this comes back to presence and praise. It's not easy, and if you need more help, go to the link in my bio and book a consult with my team. I have a whole 12-week program for you.